Senior Congress leader and former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Digvijay Singh has clearly stated that he is vacating his Rajya Sabha seat. His current term will end on April 9th, which is about 3 months from now. Digvijay Singh is a two-time Rajya Sabha member of Parliament and has decided not to seek a third term in the upper house of Parliament. He personally confirmed this decision during a media interaction in Bhopal. When asked about a letter written by the State Congress Scheduled Caste Department President who demanded that the Scheduled Caste leader should be sent to the Rajya Sabha, Singh said that such decisions are taken by the party leadership. He added that this is not in his hand. However, he made it clear that he is leaving his seat, giving the party full freedom to choose the next candidate. The Madhya Pradesh cabinet chaired by Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav approved the fourth pay upgrade scheme for teachers. The decision was taken in a cabinet meeting held at the state secretariat. Under this scheme, assistant teachers and primary and middle school teachers will get the benefit after completing 35 years of service. The scheme will be effective from July 1, 2023 or later. The state government has approved a budget of Rs 322.34 crore for this plan. The move is expected to benefit a large number of teachers across the state. Madhya Pradesh Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar held an important meeting with Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and three senior ministers. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya, Deputy CM Jagdish Devda and Minister Rajendra Shukla attended the meeting. The decision focused on MLA salaries and allowances, rest houses and other assembly-related issues. Senior officials from the CM Secretariat, Public Work Department and the Assembly were also present. Sources said a committee has submitted its report on MLA's pay and benefits, which was discussed in detail. Politics has intensified over the Shikha case and the assault on a Yadav youth in Rewa. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav strongly attacked the BJP over the incident. He shared the issue on social media and accused the BJP of spreading hatred in society. The case is now trending at the national level. Many political leaders are reaching out to the victim. On Akhilesh Yadav's instruction, the SP state president also spoke to the victim through a video call and assured full support in the fight for justice. A second person has died due to a food poisoning after eating abandoned sweets in Chhindwara's Junnardo area. The latest victim, 72-year-old Sundar Lal Kathuria, died during treatment on Tuesday. Earlier, a guard from the PHE department had also died. The incident happened on January 9th when an unknown person left a bag of sweets near a hotel close to the PHE office. When no one claimed the bag for a long time, people present there ate the sweets, leading to serious illness and death. The Bhopal Municipal Corporation Council approved three important proposals related to city services. One major decision allows individual tap connections instead of bulk water connection in colonies. If more than 70% residents agree, single tap connection will be provided. This move is expected to make water supply cheaper and reduce billing problems. The council also discussed marriage registration fees and the Amrit 2.0 scheme. Officials said the new system will improve transparency and make water distribution more efficient for city residents. A new western disturbance will become active over the western Himalayan region from January 15th, according to the Meteorological Department. The system is expected to be strong due to this light to moderate rain known as Mavtha may occur in northern part of Madhya Pradesh after 2 to 3 days. Before that, areas like Gwalior, Chambal, Rewa and Sagar division will continue to face dense fog and severe cold condition. The weather department has advised people to remain cautious due to cold and low visibility.